Honor and respect to you, family. I'm here again for another video, and this is to follow up regarding the previous video I made about Zafem Grand Premiere on Saturday and Sunday. I had the honor to make it to both events on Saturday and Sunday, and the reason why I couldn't really post the video earlier is because I had lost my voice. I just recovered my voice, and I said, you know what, let me hurry and just, share the update with you guys. Of course, I can never have enough words to describe what I experienced over the weekend, but I know for a fact it was a lifetime memory. It's something that I've never experienced before. Like, I've been going out, I've been to many events, I've witnessed a lot of festivals, a lot of bal, but never something of such, to be honest with you. It's not a question of it's all about Zafem. Yes, Zafem is dear to my heart, but what's dear to my heart the most, beyond Zafem, it's really when it comes to love, unity, everything that is positive. And I experienced that moment at Zafem. First of all, I have nothing to say about them because a lot of people were expecting them to play, very like shady and other to have something to say. Let me tell you, the band was like on point, like they've been playing for some time now. It was so beautiful. It was so amazing. And the beautiful thing there was so many beautiful things. Daenerys, my God, impressed me so much. Reginald, I don't know. I think him being absent for all those years, definitely like triple or quadruple, like the talent, the love energy was like on fire. It was like a family thing. Everybody was so happy with one another. Everybody was smiling, welcoming each other. People were singing together. Oh my, I said I lost my voice. People were singing together. People were looking out for each other. Be like, oh, are you okay? You want a drink? It was just like a family thing. It was beautiful. It was amazing. It was amazing. The only thing I have to say, and I'm going to like emphasize on that over and over, people, please, it makes such a big difference when we are vibrating on the right energy. And the most powerful energy for anyone to vibrate on, like I've always said, is love. And Zafem have that. Zafem has it on lockdown, like love, unity, union. Seriously, I have nothing to say about Zafem when it comes to that. And another thing I have to say about Zafem, I pray that for every show that they're gonna have, they will start it that way, with that little dance, that little folklore dance, you want to call it, that little like voodooiza dance. It was so beautiful. It is time that we start representing, be proud of who we are, of identity. It's time. The thing that pissed me off, when we go to the other nations, we see them cherish, praise their identity, their culture, and we accept it with compassion, with love, with appreciation. But when it comes to us, it's always something about being evil, something about devil. It's time that we stop this BS. We are in the time of Aquarius, and time for revelation of truth to be revealed. And trust me, this is the time for it. We need to be on point. We need to understand we can't go any further if we do not know who we are, and it starts with our identity. Voodoo is part of who we are. Voodoo is the science of spirituality. So just like there's other people that practice different aspect of voodoo, different aspect of spirituality, but it's like I said, it's time that we stop being fake. Like I said, we've been like religion have teach us to spit, to talk crap about our ancestors, but we cannot expect to speak garbage about our ancestors if we know who we are. And I want to be everything that my ancestors used to be before religion came. Because all religion did to us is brainwash us, that's all they did. But I hope we start get in with the program and understand that religion not going to do anything for us. But we have to get to our true roots, our true identity. And like I said, I love that. I have to go. I wish I could have said or share more with you guys, but it was amazing. Again, honor and respect to you guys. That's what you deserve.